Hey, Properties, Drew Boland from Proper Rate coming at you with your Mortgage Minute. So Federal Reserve had their meeting this week, and as expected, they raised the Fed funds rate by 75 basis points. While this move was fully expected, the markets were hoping to hear them change their tone on their future projections. Unfortunately, there was no luck there. The Fed held firm with pretty much the exact same language and stance that we've heard lately. That stance has been that inflation remains elevated, and they're committed to continue tightening and raising rates until inflation comes down substantially. So what does that mean for mortgage rates? Well, leading up to the meeting this week, we saw rates starting to trend lower. That was mostly in hopes that the Fed would start to signal a pivot and that they may slow down with their hikes. Since they did no such thing, we saw the bond markets and the MBS react negatively, and an upward trend seems to be back in play. While that may lead to rates continuing higher in the near term, we do believe that once we see signs of inflation start to dissipate or get some relief at least in inflation, we'll see rates start to come down substantially. At this point, optimism remains that rates will start to trend lower, end of Q1, maybe beginning of Q2. Once we do see that trend happen, I believe it'll come down pretty substantially. So right now is a great time to educate your buyers and your sellers about some of the creative programs that are out there. Proper Rate's 2-1 buy down program. We've made an announcement to you guys about it. If you don't know about it, learn more. My colleague Amy Rankis did a video on it last week. We're seeing buyers utilize this in the market. We're seeing sellers utilize this for marketing their properties. It's good creative financing that makes a lot of sense right now in this current interest rate environment. There will be opportunities to refinance in the future. This is a great way for people to get into their properties now while the market is a little bit slower, a little bit easier for buyers to navigate, and they can get that lower rate and take advantage of that now and refinance it later. If you have any questions, please reach out to any of us at Proper Rate. We'd love to help you and tell you more about our programs. Thanks so much. Have a great week.